Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get cough drop marker. This one is really easy. So what you want to do is first you want to go to the mountain and then, you have to just go to the mountain first and then, So climb up here. And then you can go in this area here and type Hill Rock. It might sound weird, but type Hill Rock.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong.
And then
what do you think Hill Rock
he'll say
means?
This.
Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
Now you want to just type Hill Rock again.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
Type Hill Rock again. Oops.
Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.
Okay. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I just need 3 more subscribers and I'll show you how to get forbidden marker. Bye.